So I've just put these top two boards in, done the cutting around this end, and there was a couple of holes that I've just stuffed with insulation, which we'll come back to later in the build over the next few days. But today's mantra is leaving it better than we found it. And so far what I've done today is leaving it in a better state than I found it. So I'm just going to put an extra board across the top here. In fact, I'm going to need to cut it down to about 4 inch because there's a step between that and that tie beam. So I can put a piece of around about 4 inch in there, scribe it around that end, put some more insulation in there as I do it, and then we're in a position to continue this line of the ceiling across until it meets the rake of the roof. And it likes gold. I've turned the lights out so you can see the laser levels. The piece of wood I've just put up there is the height of the ceiling on the flat section, but then when it runs into this sloping roof, I'm going to slope the ceiling down, insulate this area, and where this line is that I've projected on the wall here, that's to the lowest point. These rafters are not all at the same height. In fact, that one, the laser level is just underneath it. That was probably about 1.25 inches. So I need to put a bearer on that wall to take the edge of the ceiling, and then build some structure up here that runs parallel or almost parallel to the rafters to take the ceilings. Now I'm going to call this video here, turn the lights on, that's better. I'm going to call this video here, but next video we'll start to set out this ceiling and I'll tell you about more of the functionality of this ceiling and how I'm going to make it work in this small workshop. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you again soon. Bye.